We are at a boutique luxury hotel in the island of Okinawa, one of the southern islands of Japan. It's actually the main island of Okinawa Prefecture in Nanjo City, which is about a half hour from the capital Naha in Okinawa. And this is Hyakuna Garan. We are staying at a room called the Bekkan Annex, which is a special detached singular property adjacent to the main hotel. And so it has its own entrance and it's separate, its own building. So let's take a look. This is how you enter. There's another entrance connected to the main hotel through a elevated walkway. But anyways, this is the Garan Annex. And you come in this way. If you go down this way, it goes straight down to the beach. I'm not going to bother you with the details here, but I'll just show you from the outside. There's a room here that could also serve as a guest room for multiple family or friends. So there's a closet, there's a bathroom, wash basin, shower, everything. So let's go in to the Garan Annex itself. Let's close this. All right. So this is the main entrance. My shoes off. As you walk in here, we'll start with the bedroom. Let's come over here. And this is the main bedroom. Has a vanity area. A minibar. And around here is the closet. And an entertainment system with a flat screen TV. So this is the main bedroom. Again, this is the right side is where we came in from. The main ground level entrance. So over here, there's another large storage area. Here they have the yukata. It's not really a yukata, but it's the hotel robe uniform, which you can wear while you're staying here and walk around the grounds and even in the restaurant, just in a casual way. Here is the restroom. Yep, just opened up to greet me. Typical Japanese toilet with modern technology, with the washlet and heated seats. Over here, this is the entrance, the secondary entrance, which you can walk down a connected walkway that gets you straight into the main hotel and the restaurant and the reception area, if you so please. So this is the living room. Let's take a closer look. Over here is the minibar, coffee machine, a little desk, the courtesy phone, expansive view of the ocean. Dining area. And this is the wash basin, or the sink. Towels. Over here, rather large shower and a bathtub. Really deep one. Not sure how long it takes for the water to fill up, but it's pretty deep. So you'll need a lot of volume to fill that up. Anyway, so back to the living room. So this is the dining area. Couch with a TV. This is a day bed for when you just want to chill out. You can also watch the TV while laying in bed in the middle of the day or even at night if you so choose. So back earlier I pointed out these stairs actually head down to the beach. And so this is the one of the balconies. There's a nicer terrace actually upstairs. This one, for privacy's sake, they have some vegetation that covers a little bit of the view from the ocean. So as you can see here, you have almost 270-degree view of the ocean. But we'll get a better view of that in a bit. So this is the living area. Nice and spacious. So we can go out on the deck. See if I can open this. Yep, I can. So gray sky out today, so the water is not going to look particularly turquoise. And then there's a little sitting area under a traditional Okinawan style roof. So earlier I showed you the steps to the beach. This is one of the beaches down below. Again, it's not quite as turquoise as it typically is because the sky is a bit gray. But you have really nice views all around. Let's go upstairs to take an even better view of what we have in store. It's actually from up above. So we'll come back in a minute. So we're walking up towards the rooftop. And let me see if I can open this up. There we are. So this is what you get. From the rooftop of the Bekkan Annex suite at Hyakuna Garan. The other interesting thing here, aside from lounge chairs, behind that door there they have towels and other amenities, and also they have a hot tub, open air. This is really cool. So let's take a look at the view, and then there's a little lounge table, chairs. So let's take a look at the view from the edge of the roof. So this is what you get. While I pan around, there's a few other details about Hyakuna Garan. Let me think of what to say. Oh, so the food is very nice. It's not cheap. I don't know if it's at the level of the top places in Southeast Asia and Philippines, such as Amampulo, or in the Maldives, but good thing is, you know, it's Japan, so you get fast internet, hot water, good, you know, all that stuff that you take for granted in a developed country you get here. And the water's not bad for a very overcast sky. So if you look over here, that's where the main hotel is, the Hyakuna Garan. So the rooms over there, you know, they're smaller, but I think that all rooms have a view of the ocean, which is really, really nice. A few other details. It's adults only. I don't know if it's kids 13 or 15 and above only. However, if you book this particular Bekkan Annex suite, you can bring younger children, but on all the other rooms you cannot. Anyways, so let's go down the steps to take a look at the beach. Okay, so back out of the room, down some steps, some more steps. Nice little alcove area. And voila, here we are. So how is the beach? Not bad. I wouldn't say it's super powdery white sand, but because there's a bunch of coral bones, so there's some grainy parts to it. So it's not like let's say Amampulo in the Pamalican Islands of Philippines, or like North Island in the Seychelles, but it's pretty good. And besides, neither does Hawaii. Hawaii doesn't exactly have the softest sand either. It's in fact, they have some black sand beaches. Take nothing away from Hawaii, it's really nice. So from here, this is the Bekkan Annex suite. Overlooking the ocean, the South China Sea, I believe. Over here is the main Garan Hotel. Alright, so there you have it. Hyakuna Garan and the Garan Annex suite. And a lovely time that you can spend in the ocean in the main island of Okinawa in Japan. Sayonara. Since I was down at the beach filming the ocean, the sun came out a little bit, so you can see that the colors are much nicer now. I'm back at the rooftop of Hyakuna Garan. Still would look nicer if it's not cloudy, but at least the sun's peeking out, so you get a little bit of a better look at the ocean. And you can see some nice god rays. Hope it gives you a better indication of the more typical experience that I guess one should come to expect when coming to a subtropical island like Okinawa. I just arrived here, so don't take my word for it. In fact, I'm not 100% sure, but that's the impression I get. Alright, Hyakuna Garan.